One day professor entered the classroom and he asked his students to take a surprise test and he gave them 20 minutes to prepare for it. After 20 minutes he handed out the question paper and as usual some text were written on the front side of the paper. Finally he handed all of them and he asked the students to turn up the paper and begin the test. To everyone's surprise, there were no question on the other side, only a black dot at the middle of the paper. Everybody got confused and they were yelling out at professor like what to write. There is no question there. He said he was quite noticing each one's expression and he said that whatever you see there, just write about it. Whatever you see there, just write about it. And after 20 minutes finally that class got over and he took up the answer sheet from each one of the students and he was reading out loud in front of the students. All of them without an exception had written about the black dot. Somebody had written about the parameter like the size of the black dot. Somebody had written about the position, the exact position of the dot respective to the paper, etc. and etc. So he stood up, finally he stood up and he asked that today I'm going to explain something and today I'm not going to grade you on this, but I want to tell you something and I want you to think about it. He said, when I said whatever you see there, just write about it. And each one of you had written about the black dot. Nobody wrote about the white portion of the paper. And this is what is happening in our life. We are too focused on our dark spot. We are too focused on our dark side that we have been ignoring the white paper, the white side of our life. So guys, if this time you are going through some dark phase, you might be going through some financial crisis, some mental crisis, some emotional crisis, some dark phase. But always remember, there is a white side of your life where you have given a lot more blessing, a lot more joy. Just focus on that and everything will be fine. With that message, shining off, Baba. See you soon.